Every TreckPak kit includes top foam, bottom foam, and 2 perimeter pieces. In the case of this Pelican 1510, you will have 3 dividers, 1 long and 2 short, 1 cutter tool, and 2 pin packs. For installation, open your case, place in your bottom foam, and then place in your top foam, securing the edges. On some inserts, there may be a bumper on the outside of the perimeter to ensure proper fitting. Turning the perimeter piece over, there are 2 cutouts to create a seamless bend and notch for wheel walls in your case. Insert the perimeter piece so the cutouts fit snugly over the wheel walls. Add in the second perimeter piece. Using 2 pins from your bag, lock the 2 perimeter pieces in place. Gently press down until the bumper hits the top of your case. Then squeeze the edges of your perimeter and push down to ensure a proper snug fit. Add in your gear, largest to smallest. It may take a few times to get your layout just right. TreckPak lens pads may be used to separate or stack gear, and extra bits where needed. Using one of the divider pieces, ensure there's enough space in between all of your gear to accommodate a divider. Measure the first divider by placing it against the perimeter and finding which flute will touch the opposing wall. Place the middle prong of your cutter into the divider, put on a flat surface, and using your opposite hand, hold down the divider and cut. It's as simple as that. Wiggle your divider into place, making sure all your equipment is snug but can be removed from the pockets. Attach the red pull tabs onto your pins and lock your dividers into place.